Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Bot Trader, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I was able to flip a $45 account to a $2 account trading Central Index. I'll show you guys the strategy I used and all of that. So let's dive into the charts. Remember, whenever you want to analyze, we start from the higher time frame. That's basically the weekly time frame. So we can see the overall market direction is downwards. Next, to spot our key levels, our important zones in the market, which are basically here. One of our important zone here, our important zone basically, and then we have to identify the current market situation. You can see the market has been bullish for weeks now. Yeah, we have had about 4 bullish weeks in the market. So we have gotten the current market situation at this point, because we're basically focused at this zone to know what market is happening, because this is actually our trading zone, because it's the market's current level. So we have gotten we have seen the market give us bullish moves for weeks now. You can see we actually have a downtrend that is kind of broken at this point. You can see the market break out of this trend at this zone. So let's head down to the daily time frame to see what's actually happening on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that we got the market give us a break and a test of this zone. On the daily time frame, you can see the market giving us this nice push to the upside, creating this level of this left shoulder, the right shoulder, and basically the head that's giving us this particular reversal move to the upside, that's giving us this bullish move to the upside. Like the market first created this reversal pattern, then we can see the product of the reversal pattern basically, and we have this our key level broken out because of the market formation and all of that. So let's head on to the daily time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, so in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market give us a break and retest of this level. So this break and retest actually is a nice approach in trading the 75 index, because I've come to understand a couple of times I've traded this index. There have always been high probability of the market going my direction whenever I trade the break and retest than any other market approach. So basically, you can see how the market is break and retest this level, and at this point, so the market did the same thing at this point. So how the market did break and retest. You can see how the market gave us this formation, then market broke above it, gave us a retest, and afterwards you can see how the market has been pushing to the upside since then. So at this point, we have actually seen the market do the same thing at this zone, giving us a break and retest of this particular key level. So let's head down to the 1-hour time frame to basically see, and before that we can see or identify the overall market direction. Making sure this break and retest market approach works, you have to first identify the market direction. You have to know where the market is headed to, because you have seen the market do creating higher highs and higher lows. So basically telling us that the market has been bullish. So everything at this point is actually bullish. So any level we see that the market broke above, there's a high chance or a high probability that the market will give us a retest of that particular level. Like we saw at this point, the market giving us a break and retest of this zone, and you can see how bullish this. You can see how far the market went up from this zone. So anyone who was able to get a buy at this point will definitely be making a good profit. The same thing at this zone as well. So let's check and basically at this particular zone, you can see this our bigger level, this our bigger structure. You can see the market did broke and retested it. You can see this zone. This is actually a nice zone in the market. You can see the market reacting to this level, reacting at this point, doing the same thing here, trying to tell us that this level is actually a nice level. The market acted here as a support, bounced off, finally broke below it, then came to retest it, acted as a resistance, pushed down again, retested it again to give us a nice confirmation of this particular level, telling us that the level is actually a strong level. So you can see the market rejected from this zone as well, then give us a break above it, then you can see a nice retest. So someone who was able to read the market's minds from this point, they waited for the retest after this breakout, will surely be making a nice profit from the market. So what's the current market situation at this point? So let's head down to the 1-hour time frame to actually see what the market is telling us. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see clearly that the market is actually giving us a nice bullish push. So basically, it's either we get a nice drop from this point, we get a nice push from this point, then a continuation to the upside, like to give us a retest, another retest of this level again, or we can see the market we can actually go to the lower time frame to to catch short-term buy opportunities, because you can see basically on this 1-hour time frame that we have the market giving us this formation, creating these higher highs and higher lows on the 1-hour time frame, a kind of a bullish move at this point. So if you can be able to get a key level on the lower time frame, like the 5 minute or the 15 minute time frame, then we'll be able to take advantage of what this move at this point. So this is actually our area of focus at this zone. So basically we're waiting for the market to give us what, because you can actually say that, you can actually see clearly that the market did a break and test of this structure as well. And see this structure the market formed. Then we can see the market did what, broke above this level, give us a retest, give us a nice move. So someone who was able to get into the trade at this point and moving a stop loss maybe below this level will actually be making good profit from this little move, because we know how volatile this market can be. Even on the lowest loss side, you can make a lot of money from it. So at this point, the same thing happened at this point. So after the market goes this move, the market as well what pushed down to this point. So we tell this our trend line, then you can see how nice this market have been moving from this point. So basically we'll be identifying another level as well that we saw at this point, because this is actually a good level that we saw at this point. So our expectations will actually be, because at this point the market failed to give us a retest of this level. You can say the market pushed up, tried to give us a retest, but not really a perfect retest, but it's been pushing upward. So we can assume at this point that the market is trying to what, come back to this level. The market actually gave us a retest because we didn't position this thing very well. So the market gave us a retest. So on how the market gave us a retest, so we could probably possibly say that as how the market reacted to this point as a resistance, did the same thing as a resistance, finally broke above it, gave us a retest, then this level acted as a support. So we can actually say that this level is actually a nice level for a nice buy opportunity again. So basically we're waiting for the market to give us what, a nice push to this point, then we're looking out for what, a good buy opportunity. So basically I took the buys I took at this point. I held the buys for days and was able to make good profit from this trade, flipping a small account to a big account actually. So now at this point, now waiting for a nice move to this point, another nice opportunity, waiting for a move to this point to give us what, to catch a good buy opportunity from this zone to the upside. So that's actually how I approach the 75 index market. I wait for nice levels, wait for nice key levels, wait for identify the market direction, wait for the market to give us a break and test of the structure on those levels, because I already see the overall market direction that the market is pushing to the upside. So only thing that I have to put into place is what, my patience and being able to identify the nice market levels at which I'll be taking the opportunities on. So that's basically how I trade the central index market. And in order to see this market approach being productive for you or to you, you have to be able to be patient and wait for the right setups to come to you. You don't have to chase after the market or rush the market or anything, and you have to manage your risk as well, because this is actually a probability market where we're not the ones in control of the market. We actually analyze and trade based on past market movements. Like we use past market movements to predict what would happen in the market. So that's basically how I trade the central index. So hope you guys got a couple of things in explanations and all of that. So drop your thoughts on this video, analysis and everything. And to my new viewers, you guys should do it to subscribe, and to my returning viewers, shout out to you guys. Let's keep doing what we do and do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.